Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you own Forsaken and have the power level needed for the Milestone skin. Next, complete the exact activity tied to that skin, follow the quest, finish the seasonal milestone, or clear the specified strike. Once done, check your collection's screen and postmaster. Milestone skins often appear there to claim. Make sure to accept the item into your account before leaving the activity, because an unclaimed reward won't show in your customization menus later. After claiming, open collections and find the milestone skin under Weapons, Armor, or Cosmetics. Choose View to inspect perks and ornament options. You can apply shaders and any available ornaments right there, which lets you preview the look on your character before equipping. If the skin requires a minimum power or seasonal rank, make sure to infuse or complete that gating step, otherwise the equip option may be grayed out. Once customized, save the loadout or add it to your active character slot for instant use. Finally, equip the milestone skin from collections or directly from your character's appearance or inventory screen. Confirm it's applied in-game and then save that setup to a loadout for fast switching. Play an activity to ensure shaders and ornaments appear correctly under varying lighting. If the skin isn't visible, check the postmaster, seasonal vault, or your rank and power gates. Sometimes skins require a season pass tier, an unlock rank, or an infusion to meet equip requirements. Resolve that and reapply the skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.